Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to fix front camera on iPhone not working. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, you have a problem with giving access to the certain application that you are having or using the camera with. So to fix this issue, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device. Now, right over here, you could just simply go scroll down and you should be able to see here privacy and security. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the camera over here, as you can see. So here on the camera, you should be able to see all of the application that you have allowed your camera with. And if you don't have a turned on a specific application, the camera will not work. For example, I have using Messenger and it's not working the front cam. So make sure to just simply turn this on. Another option that you could try is just simply restart your iPhone, and mostly restarting your iPhone fixes the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.